All right. Now, what we've done so far is we cleaned the inside of this where the groove is going. Remember, the groove always goes on the side of the plate that turns toward the engine. So with our magic tool, brake cleaner, and parts brush, parts brush, I was able to reach in there and clean it pretty good. And then I took our magic Sharpie and went there and laid it up against the throttle plate and made a mark. Then we took a zip tie to hold this up while we're working on it, because it's extremely difficult to do if you don't. Now inside here, if you look very closely, you may be able to see that black mark. It goes all the way where that's the front side, or the intake, the air filter side of the throttle plate. I marked it with a Sharpie. Now what I'll do is I'll look at the thickness of that throttle plate right there, and I'll move back in there ever so slightly, and then I'm going to make an incision with the tool. If you'll just step back just a second, we'll show them this. I'm going to reach in there with this tool, which is a standard Dremel attachment, and I'm going to make a little notch in there to act as a backstop for my bits. Once I've done that, then I'm going to go in there with these reverse cut bits. You can see that the cutting surface is on the end of the bit. That's going to enable us to get in there next to that little notch we cut and go in with the cut. Right? Then after we make this cut, we don't have the right shape, so we'll come back with a second one and then smooth it out. It's very much an art form when you're dealing with these engines. All right, thank you very much.